In this video, I will show you exactly how to add a professional voiceover to your projects using Adobe Express. Adding narration is a fantastic way to engage your audience and give your content a more personal touch. To begin the process, you first need to open your existing project and navigate to the editor workspace. Once your project is loaded, look at the bottom of the screen where your video timeline lives. You should drag the playhead or the vertical timeline cursor to the precise moment where you want your narration to start. This ensures your audio aligns perfectly with your visuals. After setting your starting point, move your attention to the left-hand toolbar. Click on the media icon to open up the different asset categories. Within the media panel, you will see several tabs at the top, so go ahead and select the audio tab. This section contains music and sound effects, but you are looking for the button labeled Record Voiceover. When you click this, the recording panel will appear. Before you hit that big red record button, make sure your microphone is selected and your volume levels look good in the preview meter. When you are ready, click record and a countdown will start to give you a moment to prepare. Speak clearly and naturally into your microphone as you watch your project play. When you finish your script, click the stop button to